Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you haven't been here before, and I hope you enjoyed this video and stay to all the way through. So I decided to paint sunflowers and I did this as a workshop recently with a group of ladies, and they are Spanish ladies. Now they wished to paint this sunflower, and in Spanish it's called girasoles. So the sunflower came with a little bee, which I'm painting right now, and I used brushes size 1 and size 0. Now the colors I used for this painting is burnt sienna, sepia, Winsor lemon, Indian yellow, sap green, and I also used Winsor violet. So the paints I normally use are Winsor and Newton paints, but sometimes I have used Daniel and Smith. So on my painting I normally work with layers, and I'm applying layers on top of layers and slowly gradually build up the effect and the 3D dimension that I like to create in my paintings. I like them to pop off the paper, and I like to work on detail as much as possible. So the leaves are already been established and they look really good. I'm quite pleased how it's come up. So in here what I done is I used a damp brush just to lift a little bit of that green and to make it look like it's overlapping over the leaf behind it. So to create the shadows I used the orange, which is an Indian yellow. It's very orange color, as you can see. So I added that a lot on the shadows. At the beginning I used the combination, a mixture of this color and violet, and I created like a murky brown color, and I used that at the beginning to establish the shadows on the petals. And once that established and dried up, I went back again with the orange, which is the Indian yellow. Carefully created around the petals to define them and to make sure that they are standing out right and the contrast is really good. So in this video I'm not only showing you the sunflower, how I painted the sunflower, I'm also showing you a little glimpse, a video of a place that we recently visited over the time I was painting this sunflower, and it's Greys Court. We took our dog there, so it's just me and my husband and the dog, and it was a lovely walk that we did. It did rain on and off, and we did get caught in the rain at one point. We had to shelter underneath a tree with our umbrella, and our dog was right by our side. I think she felt quite entertained with the rain and found it quite exciting, and it was a little bit different, but the walk was really good, and she really had a lovely time. She hasn't been very well lately, so it's been quite good to get her out and get her to do some running around and exercise, which it does help everybody. So yeah, so you will have that video very shortly, and I hope you like it. It's just a little addition that I like to add to my videos. So I would also like to announce that this video is also available on real time, and it is a tutorial in my website. So if you would like to have a go at painting this beautiful sunflower, it's a long video but it's worth the try. So just pop over to my website and the link will be below in the description. So I'm going to put some music for you right now, and you will be able to enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll come back to you towards the end. So I hope you enjoyed that little clip, and Greys Court is a fantastic place to visit if you are ever in England. Please feel free to have a look. It is a very historical place and very interesting. So coming to the end of the video now, and if you haven't subscribed, please feel free to do so. It will help you to get notifications when I upload new content. And if you have enjoyed this video so far, please give it a thumbs up, and that will be great, and will push out this video to other viewers that would like to see it. So take care and hope to see you soon, and thank you very much. Bye bye.